Hi, I'm Melinda Emerson, Small Biz Lady, and this is this week's Ask Small Biz Lady segment. Sometimes I'm asked about invoicing and if there's an easy way to handle invoicing. I realize when you're first getting a business started, this is one of the things that might be a little tough to handle because you may not know where to go. There's some options. First of all, you should be using accounting software. There's some great resources out there, including QuickBooks Pro and Peachtree. You can also use PayPal. PayPal has an invoicing system as well. And a lot of times if you're using accounting software, there will be an electronic invoicing process that you can use, and you can email your invoices directly to your clients. And the great thing about using an accounting software program to do your invoicing is you don't have to create duplicate work either for yourself or your bookkeeper that's keeping your records. So I suggest using accounting software or PayPal if you haven't upgraded to accounting software yet, and that's the best way to invoice your clients and keep your records clean. I'm Melinda Emerson, Small Biz Lady, and that's this week's Ask Small Biz Lady segment.